Hey, hey guys, how goes it? Welcome back to the channel. I know you've been waiting on this for a long time, and so am I. But 8 weeks later, finally got the call, and the car is in. That's right, we're gonna go pick up the 2019 Camaro SS today. So if you're new to the channel, you probably don't know this yet, but I ordered this Camaro over 8 weeks ago, and it's finally in. But today we're gonna go pick it up. I'm gonna skip right to when we get to the dealer. But look, check this out. I've already got mods lined up and haven't even picked it up yet. Now this is just the Flowmaster chrome tips. I got a set of Super 44 mufflers in here. If you didn't see my video where I talked about the car when I ordered it, I mentioned in that video that I purposefully did not get the dual mode, MPP exhaust feature on the car, because I ain't got no use for that stealth mode. I want it to be as loud as it can be all the time. Anyway, I know this is not relevant to the actual purpose of this video. Just wanted to let you know, keep an eye out, because I've already got the mufflers. I'm going to be getting them installed on the car next week. This is a Friday. If it wasn't Friday, I'd do it tomorrow. But let's get on with the video and skip right to when we get to the dealer. Alright guys, we're here. We'll go ahead and show you to you. It's right up here. Hey guys, so we are back home with the Camaro. Finally, waited 8 weeks for the thing to come in, and then it felt like we waited 8 more weeks in the dealer to get everything done. But you know how that is. Yeah, here it is at home, and it looks good in the sun. I'm just loving this color. Do a quick walk around, or I guess roll around. Get it? Wheelchair humor. Yeah, this is the shadow gray metallic color. I don't know how well the camera will pick it up, but it's got a lot of metal flake in it, which I like it. And got the black wheel option. These are just the cheapest wheel option you can get that's black. Just $300 more. They look a lot better than the standard rims, I think, but still don't love them, but we're gonna change those anyway before too long. Got an appointment, or I haven't set up an appointment yet, but I'm gonna try to get the windows tinted next week. I didn't video it, but we actually stopped by the muffler shop on our way home. And I set up an appointment for actually Monday, which is the day after tomorrow, to get the stock exhaust, stock muffler taken off, and my Super 44s installed. I showed those to you at the beginning. I'll do a video on that when that's done. My dad and I are thinking about taking the car to the drag strip tomorrow. Of course, not to race it, but just get some miles on it, go watch some racing. I may do a vlog on that. I think I'm going to start doing a vlog series, just where it's nothing in particular. Like before, my videos have been more informational, trying to, talk about my experience, things I've learned building my old truck. And I'm still going to do that with the truck and now the Camaro, but I think I'm going to do a series of just a vlog where I'm just recording my experiences with the car as they happen, you know. So tomorrow, I think that may be the first, at least filming the first episode of that. Take it to the strip, just as a, just for the fun of it. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see, if you'd like for me to implement that into the channel. I probably will, but I'm not sure. Maybe do one like more informational type video each week, and then an additional vlog type video each week. Maybe try to get 2 out each week instead of 1 when I have the time. I know this video is probably getting pretty long, and then of course I'll make another and go over all the options that's on the car and everything. But we got lots of stuff coming for the car and the C10. So if you're new, you want to subscribe, feel free to do that. And if you want to support the channel, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.